Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today in this class we are going to see class 7 ICSE Geography chapter 3 Weather and Climate. This is the part 1 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to this chapter. Before that, I would like to remind you that don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Question number 1. Give the elements of air. Air temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, cloudiness, precipitation, winds and visibility. You know that air temperature and atmospheric pressure is the pressure in the air and humidity is the amount of water content in the atmosphere, and cloudiness precipitation, and winds and visibility. Next question, define weather. It is defined as the state of air temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, precipitation and winds at a given place and time. We have already learnt about the elements of atmosphere in the previous question. Here, weather is nothing but the state, the condition of those elements. I mean the air temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, precipitation and winds at a given place and at a particular time. This is defined as weather. Next one, define climate. It is defined as the average overall condition of the air temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, precipitation and winds over a large region, not at a particular place but over a large region and for a long period of time. Here the main point is large region and a long period of time. So climate is nothing but the overall condition of those elements of atmosphere over a large region and for a long period of time. Next one, write down the differences between weather and climate. We have already learned that this is just a differentiating thing. Weather, the state of air temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, precipitation and winds at a given place and time. Climate, the average overall condition of the air temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, precipitation and winds over a large region and for a long period of time. Now the second point is the weather changes from time to time. So weather keeps on changing from time to time. But what about climate? The climate remains the same year after year. Next question, what is meant by solar radiation? We have already known that sun radiates both heat and light energy. So solar radiation is nothing but the heat and light energy radiated by the sun is called solar radiation. Next one, define the term insolation. The amount of solar radiation received by the Earth's surface is called insolation. So the Earth's surface keeps on receiving the solar radiation. The amount of solar radiation received by the Earth's surface is called insolation. Next one, define terrestrial radiation. The term terrestrial is something related to the Earth or the land. The Earth's surface absorbs maximum amount of heat during the day, because during the daytime only we have sunlight. So the Earth's surface absorbs maximum amount of heat during the day. At night, the amount of heat which was absorbed by the Earth's surface is radiated back into the atmosphere. This process is called terrestrial radiation. Next question, explain about the air temperature of a place. The air temperature of a place depends on insolation at that place, at that particular place. At a particular place, the amount of solar radiation received by the Earth. that decides the air temperature at that particular place. So the next point is the insolation decreases as we move from the equator towards the poles. So as we move from the equator towards the poles, the insolation keeps on decreasing. Next question, into how many zones the earth has been divided on the basis of the amount of heat received, and what are they? The earth has been divided into 3 zones on the basis of the amount of heat received. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Next one is explain about torrid zone. Location. In the northern hemisphere, it lies between equator, that is 0 degree latitude, and Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north latitude. In the southern hemisphere, it lies between equator, that is 0 degree latitude, and Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degrees south latitude. Now, what are the features of this torrid zone? It receives maximum insolation. It means it receives maximum amount of solar radiation. Next point, sun's rays fall vertically throughout the year. Throughout the year, the sun's rays fall vertically on the earth's surface. And the third one is, it is the hottest part of the earth. Torrid zone is the hottest part of the earth. So with this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.